Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Christmas Decorations 2022. Today I'm gonna be putting up my Christmas tree. It is the day after Thanksgiving, so it is time to get all decorations up. I'm super excited, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I figured let me jump on real quick. So I'm gonna start with a little at-home haul and go through what I picked up new, and then I'm gonna go get all the old stuff and get organized and get started, because this is probably going to take a few hours, and I'll show you guys clips of what I'm doing along the way without making this video too long. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you for joining me. Make sure you're subscribed while we get into this video. I'm still a little bit under the weather, so I'm a little bit stuffy, so hopefully I can get through this portion of the video without coughing. So yeah, let's get into what I picked up from at home this year and then go from there. All right, so I actually have 4 bags from at home. Went a little bit over budget, but you know how it is. So if you've been here for a while, or if you know me, I'm obsessed with changing colors every year, or at least coming up with which colors I want to do that year. I've been doing it for the last maybe 7 years or so, roughly. My very first Christmas tree was like literally all over the place, and ever since then I've been kind of thinking like green and gold, green and silver, blue, red, orange. I've kind of done it all, but I want to revisit red this year. I haven't done red in a while, and especially since I have a flocked tree now. Initially I used to have a green tree. I've kind of done a few things with the green tree, but I'm trying to like, okay, let's do it again, zhuzh it up a little bit with the white tree. So that's what we're doing. So first bag, let's see what I got. So like I said, I decided on white, red, a little bit of silver and gold. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with the most of. I think it's probably silver with a touch of gold or something like that. Hopefully you guys can see the true beauty of these when I show it on camera, because I know the color is probably a little bit bright. There you go. So I got this pack of like 6 shatterproof white with a little bit of silver. These were only $4.99, so I thought that was a good deal. Something I wanted to do this year was get different sizes. I feel like I have the traditional, what size is that? The little small regular ornaments. I wanted to do some different sizes. So these are 100 millimeters, if you know what that stands for. Then I picked up these ones. They're winter frosted, another 6 piece, but these are 80 mm. Again, different sizes. This one has a lot of like silver specks on it. It looks more silver and white. Really, really nice. I think I picked up 2 of those because I want my tree to look really, really full this year. So I picked that up. So I got a couple like these little stem. Is this what you call stems? These little, I like when the trees have these little things like just sticking out of it. So I wanted a couple different ones of these. Didn't get as many as I wanted. I felt like the options were slim by the time I went in a week ago. So I would suggest if you're wanting to do something big with your Christmas tree, you might want to start getting your decorations like September. So when I first went for those when I went for the fall decorations, if you guys remember, there was so many Christmas decorations there at that time, but I thought it was too early. Didn't want to spend the money for Christmas yet, so I didn't get the stuff, but picked up a few, got a couple in red. Also got these ones. They're like little trees with these little swirls stuff on there. Again, you just clip these on the tree and they kind of stick out. So I have 2 of those. Picked up these little frosted ones. They look like little snowflakes. Love these. They're winter frost, and these were only 99 cents. So I think we picked up 4 of these. I didn't realize like just the difference that different shapes and stuff makes to a Christmas tree till the last year or two. So I want to add those. And then also for the little sticky things, there's a lot of glitter. I got these in gold as well. Again, you just stick them in. So I picked up a couple of those. To the third baggie. More little cute things. These red ones, super cute. You just hang these up. I think we got, yeah, 4 of those. These were $2.49 a piece, but I thought they were super cute. And then these bigger red ones, like, how gorgeous are these? Ugh, so cute. A lot of glitter going on, but these were $2.49 and I picked up 6 of these. Because again, I don't have these super big ornaments. I just have the regular small ornaments in my collection. All right, then I picked these up. These are some long stems. I haven't decided if I'm just gonna use this on my little coffee table thing or if I'm gonna add this to the tree. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I know I see a lot of people use like stuff like this as topper, but I think I have a red star. So if I don't have the red star, I'll use these, but if not, if I have the red star, I'll just put these somewhere else. But I wanted more of these cranberry looking pieces, but they didn't have too many of them, but I picked this one up. Really, really nice. And these were super affordable too. Like this one is, I think, $3.99. This one is $4.99. Picked up this pack of stars. Really, really nice. They're like gold, but not too gold, which I like. Not bad, $4.99. Again, just trying to get some variety in the shapes and stuff. And more red ornaments. These are pretty much the same. Yeah, same size roughly. But these are more a different design. These are just your traditional shimmery glitter ornaments. Again, a pack of 6 for $4.99. I thought was a really, really nice deal for those. Oh, I guess I did pick up some more cranberry stems. So again, I can use these as toppers or somewhere else. This was the only ribbon that I saw that made sense. So I picked this one up. Not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I only picked up 1 roll of it, so little ribbon. Another pack of gold ornaments. These are like your traditional size. And that's it for the tree. Mike forgot something. Your canes. And Mike picked up 2 packs of candy cane pat lights because he wanted them. So I let him have his moment and pick up something that he wanted. So yeah, 2 packs of the driveway pathway candy cane, and they go with the theme, so that's really, really nice. So he'll put these up. And yeah, that's everything that I got new. Let's get rid of these bags. I'll use them again. So I'm just gonna go get everything else that I wanna use this year. Some red ornaments, some silver, some gold, kind of pick out what I wanna use, get organized so it can make my job easier. I'm gonna be doing some clusters. I'll show you guys how I'm doing that. That's something new I'm doing this year. And yeah, I'm gonna get the base of the tree and all that stuff done. And I'll show you guys clips of that. So I'll be back.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright guys, so this is the next day. I am ready to show you guys my 2022 final Christmas tree. I had to add the final touches this morning, well, earlier today. Added a few like pieces just to fix any gaps and stuff. Also I had to clean up, put everything back so I could, you know, see the full picture. So everything is done. I'm gonna show you guys the final look, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of everything. All right, so presenting to you my 2022 and probably my best yet Christmas tree. Alright guys, so quick refresh on everything that I did for the first time. I did some clusters. Basically you just grab about 5, 6, 7 ornaments, the smaller ones, and made them into a cluster. I bought bigger ornaments as well, just to add a little extra touch. Got these nice white ones, the red, just different textures, different style on the bigger ones. Added these little stems. I've been seeing these a lot. So I have some gold ones, some red ones sticking out. That just adds a little bit of extra touch to the tree, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. The stems, the clusters, the bigger ornaments, and just red. Like, I don't know, there's just something about the red that's just bringing out the tree, and I'm loving it. Like, I promise you guys, the video is not doing it justice. Like, seeing it in person, chef's kiss. I am so proud of this Christmas tree this year. Love the final result, and I hope you guys did too. Let me know down below on a scale, how did I do? 1 to 10. Let me know if you guys want any tips on how I did any of the things that I did. And yeah, for the rest of the house, I didn't really do too much. Still probably will find a couple pieces when I go to Vegas this week. I did do my fireplace. I'll add a B-roll of that. I did put a garland on the fireplace. I will do a clip of that, show you guys a little overview of that. Little red stem around the room. Couple little cones are hanging around. Just a couple little things, but nothing too fancy. I'm gonna like touch that up later on this week. But yeah, that's it for my Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed doing this with me. I enjoy doing this every year. I've done the last 2. And if you watch those videos, you'll probably see the progress. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.